The selling price of 12 articles is equal to the cost price of 15 articles. What is the gain percent? So here, the price at which the merchant is buying 15 articles is recovered by selling 12 articles at the selling price. So definitely he is gaining the cost by selling lesser items. That means his selling price is more than his cost price. So he is making a gain here. Now gain percent is, so gain is selling price minus the cost price. And then if we want to express this as a percent, then first we have to express this profit in terms of the investment as to how much did we gain on the investment that we had made, and the investment is the cost price. And then because we have to find the percentage, we multiply by 100. So we'll keep this in mind. Now the selling price of 12 articles is equal to the cost price of 15 articles. So let's say that the selling price of one article equals to X rupees and the cost price of one article equals to Y rupees. So what this is saying is selling price of 12 articles. So for one article the selling price is X. So for 12 articles it will be 12 multiplied by X. So 12 times X is equal to the cost price of 15 articles. So for one article the cost price is Y. For 15 it will be 15 multiplied by Y. So 15Y. So let's express this formula in terms of X and Y. So selling price is X, cost price is Y, and cost price is Y multiplied by 100. So let's bring Y on this side because here it is in the denominator. So X divided by Y is equal to, and we'll bring this on the other side. So 15 divided by 12. Now we want to express this equation in terms of this. So this is also X divided by Y minus Y divided by Y, and this is equal to 1. So if we subtract 1 on both the sides, so X divided by Y minus 1 equals to 15 divided by 12 minus 1. So whatever we are doing on one side of the equation, we have to make sure that we are doing the same thing on the other side to make it equal. So now let's take Y as the LCM. So X minus Y is equal to, here 12 will be the LCM, 15 minus 12 ones are 12, so 12. So X minus Y divided by Y is equal to 15 minus 12 is 3 divided by 12. Now we have to multiply both the sides by 100 to make it in the form of percentage. So multiply by 100 is equal to 3 by 12 multiplied by 100. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So again 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 to carry over, 4 fives are 20. So this is equal to 25%. So the profit percent or the gain percent is equal to 25%. If the cost price of 15 tables is equal to the selling price of 20 tables, find the loss percentage. So here the merchant is recovering the cost price of 15 tables by selling 20 tables. That means he is not able to recover the cost price of 15 tables by selling 15 tables. He has to sell more tables. That means he's actually making a loss. So we have to find what is the loss percentage here. Now we know that loss is equal to cost price minus the selling price. So we have a loss when our cost price is more than our selling price. And of course, when we calculate, we put the bigger one first and the smaller one next. Now, if we have to find the loss percent, so we have to express this in terms of the cost price and multiply by 100. Now, in our example, let's say the cost price of one table is equal to X rupees and the selling price of one table equals to Y rupees. So let's express this equation in terms of X and Y. CP is X minus SP is Y divided by CP, which is again X, and we have to multiply this by 100. So now let's express this example in terms of X and Y. So cost price of 15 tables. So cost price of one table is X. So cost price of 15 tables is 15 multiplied by X. So 15 times X is equal to the selling price of 20 tables. So selling price of one table is Y. So for 20 tables, it will be 20 multiplied by Y. So 20 times Y. Now let's express this in terms of X and Y on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So let's bring X here and let's take the number 20 on this side. So since 20 is on the numerator and it is multiplication, so when it goes to the other side, it will be in the denominator, is equal to X again when it comes here will be in the denominator. So Y divided by X. Now here, if we divide each number by X, so it becomes X by X minus Y by X, and this whole thing is multiplied by 100. So this becomes 1. So 1 minus Y by X. So we have to first bring this equation in terms of this expression. So it becomes 1 minus 15 by 20 or is equal to 1 minus Y by X. So this actually is 3 by 4 if we divide both the numbers by 5. So let's take 4 as the LCM. So 4 ones are 4 minus 3, and this is equal to, let's take X as the LCM. So 1 multiplied by X is X minus Y. So this is 4 minus 3 is 1 by 4 is equal to X minus Y divided by X. So this expression we have achieved. Now we have to multiply it by 100. So multiply both the sides by 100. So 4 25s are 100. So this is the loss percentage. So loss percentage is equal to 25%.